My name, Lars Holst. My business, mobile content. My aim, to stream the 2010 World Cup and other major sporting events to a global audience. The World Cup is happening here in South Africa. Will the local ICT sector be able to meet my needs? Can I find the right partners?
Hi.
Hi,
I'm
Nadia.
Nadia. Welcome to South Africa.
Thank you. This is very modern. This is new.
Well, Johannesburg is pretty new. It's only existed for about 120 years. This all started off as a mining town, mining gold, and today it's the business hub of South Africa.
We have many hundreds of people now in South Africa supporting many of our customers in Europe, particularly the UK, the Nordics, Netherlands. South Africa also offers, as a hub, a tremendous opportunity into Africa. If you think of Africa as a population of approaching 1 billion people, massive markets, massive opportunity, I see South Africa and Johannesburg in particular as the hub for that growth.
All the major players are here. IBM, Microsoft, Vodafone. My international partners are already here. Vodacom is one of the major mobile networks. Let's see what they have to offer.
Pay-as-you-go was an African innovation, and more importantly, a South African innovation, and even more important, a Vodacom innovation. We invented pay-as-you-go on an iron-based platform. We'd set out with this mission to democratize telecoms and really make it possible for every person in the country to have a cell phone, which just changed the face of cellular globally.
There is a lot happening here, but can I really trust them to deliver the quality and predictability my business requires?
The ICT sector in South Africa is a very important sector of our economy. It's a $28 billion US industry. 65% of that is connected to telecommunications. But it has an impact across our economy and is a major tool in our industrial, our mining and agricultural sectors. The government's vision for the ICT sector in South Africa is one which will see this sector expand and play its role both in servicing the established, developed parts of our economy, as well as becoming increasingly a tool for overcoming problems of poverty and inequality in our country.
Nedbank employs about 2,750 IT professionals. IT systems in Nedbank are as sophisticated as any bank that you'll find in Europe or America. You find the same systems here that you will find in HSBC or the Bank of America or Credit Suisse. We're adopting TSP to improve software quality. We've already seen some remarkable results from the pilot project that we are conducting.
So one of the challenges we face in the software development industry, globally I would say, is the ability to deliver predictable software within time and budget and to a level of quality. Now TSP within CMMI gives us the ability to do that. It's a methodology and an approach that Dariel Solutions has adopted with the SEI to make sure that the software that we develop is to a high degree of quality and we can deliver it within predictable timeframes.
I met the exact people I wanted to meet. People I can trust. How many universities are there in South Africa?
There are 23 publicly funded universities in South Africa. We at Wits rank very high in the world.
How good are your ICT students?
South African ICT students are excellent. The proof of it, I suppose, is that a lot leave South Africa after they graduate. Many are working for major international companies. The challenge is to really keep our students in the country after they graduate.
What are the challenges that South Africa ICT companies are facing?
There are two major challenges. One is skills. We've got many skilled people, but we need more of them. The second is to try to adopt international benchmarks and practices. And to do that, we're working very closely with the Software Engineering Institute to bring models like CMMI and methods like TSP to South Africa.
South Africa is a hub of creative ideas. People live and work differently here. There's space to think, space to imagine. Perhaps we should move some of our operations down here. South Africa really is alive with possibilities.